In this episode, we'll explore acute phase proteins and their role in systemic inflammation.
These proteins, primarily synthesized in the liver, increase in response to inflammatory stimuli. Key examples include C-reactive protein, CRP, and serum amyloid A protein, SAA. CRP binds to microbial cell walls, aiding in their removal. SAA, interestingly, can also bind to chromatin, assisting in clearing necrotic cell nuclei.
A fibrinogen is another crucial acute phase protein, binding to red blood cells and forming rouleau, which is detectable via elevated erythrocyte sedimentation rate, ESR. Production of these proteins is regulated by cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-α.
Another interesting aspect is serum amyloid A, SAA protein. Prolonged elevation of SAA leads to secondary amyloidosis. Elevated CRP is a marker for increased risk of myocardial infarction and coronary artery disease. Hepcidin, an iron regulatory peptide, reduces iron availability, sometimes leading to anemia associated with chronic inflammation. Speaking of inflammation, let's not forget the fever. It's caused by pyrogens inducing prostaglandin production, leading to a rise in body temperature.
And finally, leukocytosis, a significant increase in white blood cell count, often accompanies inflammation. This can stem from various infections, like bacterial infections leading to neutrophilia, or viral infections resulting in lymphocytosis. Sometimes it's even due to compensatory loss in inflammatory reactions. Did you know that an extremely high leukocyte count could indicate a leukemoid reaction?
That's quite a mouthful, isn't it? Almost makes you want to grab a hefty dose of ibuprofen, but don't forget to consult your doctor first.